Kids, my name is Prashant. I build electric cars that I hope will help the climate in the future. Now, while we do need new technology, we need a clean environment for a better future. I believe what we need most is kind, compassionate, intelligent human beings. And that's why, for all of you who have engaged with Guinea's Planet, I admire you for making that commitment to developing yourself. Everything you're learning today, practicing empathy, embracing diversity, respecting disability as diversity, and adopting curiosity as a way of life, I hope you will always keep all of these values at your core. Again, I appreciate your commitment. I appreciate your parents' commitments. And I hope you keep up the good work and continue to inspire many, many more people around you.
Congratulations, friends, on completing this very, very important program. I'm sure you have enjoyed it thoroughly, and there's a lot that you're taking back with you. The values that you've imbibed from here, the values that you've experienced over here, you can apply them with your families, with your friends, and with whosoever you come in contact with. बहुत कुछ इसमें से आपने ग्रहण किया होगा जिसको आप अपनी निजी जिंदगी में अपना सकते हैं, और इसी के द्वारा हम एक ऐसा प्लैनेट क्रिएट कर सकते हैं जहां सबकी रिस्पेक्ट हो, जहां सबके लिए जगह हो और सबका सम्मान हो. बेस्ट विशेस टू ऑल ऑफ यू.
Dr. Bhagat shares, I am happy to know from Guinea's Planet that you have worked hard to learn everyone is equal, and that we should respect everyone's thoughts and feelings. Empathy is a skill which will help you become champions.
And I'm sure that you are going to make a lot of friends now, with everyone included. You are going to play with them. You are going to welcome them with a big, broad smile. And please, please, please stay safe, stay humble, and be amazing people when you grow old. Thank you.
For the children who attended this program on empathy and how to build empathy for diversity and difference, you make all of us adults very proud. I'm sure you've learned a lot about how to care for people and be with people and be yourself, and how differences don't really make us different, but bring us together. Good luck, very proud, well done. You're just amazing young people.
I am very much delighted to convey my good wishes to Guinea's Planet, who has organized a workshop in these tough days when everybody is at standstill and children were requiring an outlet for their creativity, for their energies. This wonderful organizations provided excellent opportunity in form of workshop where they are inquiring about the scientific rigor, where the research inquiry is a quest, and they are learning many, many things. My good wishes to Sweta and her team for the wonderful work during lockdown period. God bless you all. We all are with you. Count us with yourself.
Hello little friends, congratulations. You have completed these workshops with Guinea's Planet, and I'm sure all of you had fun. I hope you will be using these learnings in your interactions with people around you, with children around you, in your neighborhood, in your extended families, in your schools. And all of you together will make this world a better place. I wish you all the best. This is Divya Didi.